Hey guys, and today I'll be showing you how to do the double rollout, which looks like this. It's really easy, it's really simple. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So, to do the double rollout, there's one main way to do it, and it is simply the easiest. So, you hold the knife in standard grip, holding the safe handle. Do not hold the bite handle. You swing the bite handle out this way. You have to hold it loosely so that it goes down like this. You swing the bite, and with the momentum, you swing the bite handle there, and then you swing it back. Quickly, it should look like this. You can also do it with closing it, holding the standard grip, and doing the same thing. And later on, you should know how to change it up a bit. Like for me, I would like to lift this thing like this and let it fall. And then as it's falling, I twist it and do it like that. But it's totally up to you which one you prefer. So that will be it for the double rollout tutorial. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. The next video will be about the backhand twirl, which looks like this. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that little bell icon if you want to get notified of when I will upload that. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye!